Okay guys, so today we're going to be doing a shakshuka, which is a great breakfast and a good all-day brunch. So this is what you're going to need. So we're going to start first of all with chopping our onion. And a couple of cloves of garlic. And now we'll bring in the pan. So first thing, we're just going to fry off some onions for about 5 minutes. So we're just going to cook these on a medium heat, so they're nice and soft for 5 to 6 minutes. So we're just going to add chopped cloves of garlic, and we're just going to give that a little stir through. And then at the same time, we can add some spices. So we're going to use a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Give them a little stir so you can smell the nice aroma. A tin of tomatoes. We're also going to add a tin of butterbeans. You can use any beans, cannelloni, chickpeas, anything like that. You're going to give that a little stir. And then we're just going to add a stockpot. This is a vegetarian stockpot. Use stock cubes as well. And we're just going to add about 100 ml of water. And we just want to gently let that simmer for about 10 minutes. Just let it simmer for 10 minutes and we're going to prepare some flatbreads to go with it. Right, so now we're going to make a little feta quesadilla. So this is to dip into our eggs, into our shakshuka. So we're going to start off with some Greek salad cheese. We're just going to crumble this in. And then all we're going to do is add a little bit of lemon and a little bit of chopped parsley. And then we're just going to add a little squeeze of lemon. Okay, so now we're going to sandwich our quesadillas together. So we want to put on a very low heat. Just want a little bit of olive oil at the bottom. And we're just going to put one tortilla in the pan. And then we're just going to lightly dot this around. We should have enough to make 2 of these. That'll be fine. And then we're just going to get another one on top. And we're just going to sandwich it down. We're going to leave that for a couple of minutes and then flip it over. Okay, so now our quesadillas are all finished, they're ready. So we're going to bring back our shakshuka. So we're just going to get this on a little heat, so it's bubbling away nicely. It's been bubbling away for 10 minutes now. So all we're going to do is stir in a little bit of chopped parsley. Right, so now we're going to crack our eggs in. So we're cooking for 4 people here, so we've got 4 eggs in there, and we're just going to cover it, and we're just going to leave that for a couple of minutes until your eggs are cooked. Okay, so we've left them for a couple of minutes. Oh, there we go, look at that. So, just finish that off with a little bit of black pepper. And there we go, we have our shakshuka and our quesadillas with feta. Top marks.